What's going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUNRNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. Y'all know I'm making it. If you're new here, please consider liking, subscribing, hitting that notification bell. It really helps me out. Today, I'm going to talk to you about a company called the Meatstick. They hit me up the other day and decided to send me the product called the Meatstick X. Let's go ahead and open it up, see what we're talking about. Just look at that slick packaging with that thermometer. Very nice. Take a look at that thermometer up close. Now, the thermometer itself, the stainless steel part, can withstand temperatures up to 212 degrees. And then ceramic part can withstand temperatures up to 572 degrees. Now, the thermometer part checks out your temperature of your meat. Ceramic part checks out your ambient temperature. Your base here is not only just your base, but it's also your charger for your thermometer. You have to put two AA batteries on the back side. And then when you see the charger button here, when you see it hits green, solid green means you're good to go. Flashing green means that you need a little more charge. Flashing red means that it needs to charge some to get to green. Solid red means that you need to change the batteries because they're dead and you need to change batteries so that way you can go ahead and charge up your meat stick. Now, the initial charge to charge up your meat stick requires 4 hours to get that meat stick charged. The charge lasts for 24 hours, but basically after you finish doing your cook, go ahead and throw your meat stick back onto the charger so that way you can go ahead and do it for the next time. Now, cleanup is simple. A little soap and water, never hurts. Go ahead and do that and you're good to go. Go ahead and pull up the app now. It comes with its own app. That is the app. As you can see, it's reading the ambient temperature of 91 degrees. So we're a little warm today. It walks you through how to position it in the meat, how to put things at the right angle. You don't want to put the probe in and then put it up against the side of the grill where the metal is, because then it blocks the signal from getting out. It will cut down on the angle of how much range it has. The Meatstick X range is 260 feet. The regular meat stick is only 33 feet. Now the regular meat stick is only $69. The Meatstick X is $99. Now they have another bundle which is 2 Meatstick X's plus a Wi-Fi bridge, which you need that plugged in 6 feet away from wherever you're cooking, which then will extend your range to where then you can go ahead and check it wherever you are that you decide to go off and you want to go, let's say you go to church or wherever, and you want to go do whatever. You can go ahead and check on your temperatures. That bundle is $199. So that's good. One thing I forgot to mention, on the app, you can have up to 8 Meatstick X's or minis on the app. So I don't think any of the other apps out there are doing that. So that's good. So I'm very impressed with how this is going. Can't wait to give a review of this and some food. Stick around. We're going to go ahead and do that next. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good day.